Hi friends, this is Ankita Saha. Today we are going to make the fried fish in creamy lemon butter sauce. Okay, and this recipe is divided into three steps. First, we need to marinate the fish. We have used Bhetki fish fillets here, right? And you can use any other fish which you like. Maybe you can use the basa fish, right? So for the marinade, we will use this following ingredients. That is salt as per your taste, pepper, green chilies, chopped green chilies. As you can see, we have chopped grated garlic, some lemon zest, right? And we also are going to use some lime juice into this marinade. Along with that, we are going to use American mustard, okay? And this is going to add some flavor to the marinade. That is the American mustard sauce. You can use any other mustard sauce, Dijon mustard or English mustard, whichever is available at your place. And we are also going to add some olive oil into the marinade, which definitely is going to add to the flavor. Okay, so now we'll come to the next step. That is, we are going to prepare a batter for our fish. That is, in order to fry the fish, we are going to use all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, some salt and pepper for seasoning, and definitely a little bit of olive oil into the batter. Okay, finally we'll come to the last step. That is our rich creamy sauce, for which we are going to use some butter cubes. Okay, we have taken 4 butter cubes here. We have got the cream. Okay, this is a low fat cream. You can use whichever cream is available at your place. And along with that, we are going to add some wine. Okay, as you can see, wine adds to the flavor. You can skip this if you want, if it's not available. We are going to use the remaining lime or the lemon juice. And finally, we are going to use the chicken stock cube. You can also use the chicken stock which you are preparing at home. Over here we have the Maggi stock cubes. We are using that. Okay, 1 stock cube, and we are going to use some lemon zest as well, or lime zest, into the sauce. Okay, and last but not the least, the salt and pepper. Okay, that is we are going to add according to our taste. And also we have parsley, which we are going to add into the sauce. Okay, so first we are going to start marinating the fish. We are going to add some pepper on both sides of the fillet. So we have to make sure both sides are getting nicely marinated with the pepper. Okay, after that we are going to add some salt. And salt we are going to add according to the taste, as per our taste. So after adding the salt on both sides, so yes, we are almost done with the marination with salt and pepper. Now we are going to add some garlic. Okay, we have used grated garlic here, but we can also use minced garlic. Right after we add the garlic, we are going to add some lime or lemon zest. Okay, then we are going to add some lime juice, and we are going to use this lime juice later as well when we make the sauce. Okay, now we are going to add the mustard sauce. Over here we have used American mustard sauce. We can use any other mustard sauce whichever is available at your place. Okay, now we have coated the mustard sauce. All right, and we are going to add the chopped green chilies. And after that, we are going to add a little bit of oil. We have used olive oil. You can use any other oil which is available at your place. So our marination is done. Now we are going to leave it for at least an hour. All right, which is going to add to the flavor. Okay, so now we have taken out the marinated fish fillets. As you can see, they have marinated well. And meanwhile, we have also prepared the batter. As you have gone through the ingredients, we have put the all-purpose flour, eggs, salt and pepper for seasoning, and a little bit of olive oil. Now we are just going to deep fry the fishes. We have already heated up the pan, as you can see that. And we are going to fry the fish on both sides. Okay, now as we can see, it has fried on both sides. We are going to take out the fish fillets and we'll make sure the oil gets dried up. Okay, so now we are going to make the sauce. We are using the same pan for the sauce, right? First we are going to add the butter cubes. We have added 4 butter cubes here. We are also going to add the grated chopped garlic. We are going to add the wine. Now after gently mixing it all together, we are going to add some lime juice. Now we are going to add the cream. We have used low-fat cream out here. And gently mix it. Okay, now we are also going to add some chicken stock cubes. Meanwhile, we have added the chicken stock cube and we are going to stir it. And we have to make sure that the stock cube gets dissolved into the mixture. Now we are going to add some parsley. You can also use some fresh parsley if it is available. Now we are going to add the black pepper, and that is as per your taste. So the sauce is done. Now it's time for us to serve the fish. Now we are just going to pour the sauce over the fish. So our fried fish with creamy lemon butter sauce is ready to serve. So at the end, we are going to add some spring onions, that is chopped spring onions, for garnishing. So that's it, guys. Thank you.